Honey, go and go do something on the road or something now. You just lock up in the house all day. Me no want to go outside. I want nobody to see my face. They want to make fun of me. Think like that, man. Nobody not gonna make fun of you, honey. You need to go outside. I guess soon have to go back to school too. Me not go back to school. I don't care what you want to say. You can't make me go back. And you can't stay near the wall. No, what do you want to do?
'Sexy body sharing. Look boy man, you know some can't always know why you always have the body there.
What is it? Are you stalking me or something? How you know she found me there?
I'm too. Just come for eat too party. Remember when we were younger we used to always come here and buy lunch?
I don't care to remember anything, okay? Can you please leave me alone?
So you breed for that young boy there like you eat that?
It's none of your business who I want to breathe for.
Yeah, eat that, girl.
Stop concerning yourself with me. My life is none of your business. Go get one.
You want me to talk to you, now, girl? What, you think you're more than me? Eh? Remember say, me. Me the one who always used to sleep with you, and you love it.
Is something wrong with you? Are you gone mad or something? Why you following me everywhere trying to talk to me? Leave me alone. Obviously you turned into a madman or something. Why you always following me everywhere? I know you're following me. Leave me alone.
Yo, Octavia, give me a rum and boom there. Make it the way you always make it for me.
Octavia, there is something wrong there.
Look sexy, Octavia, not lie. How you doing? How's the baby? You know if you page me. So, you have my money? Will you owe me? Or you forget?
To you. So I gotta have it, alright? Okay? Just wait now. Come on, Leroy. Me a friend and everything, don't it? You know if you rush me so.
That week, that. Tell me last week you're not sexy.
Alright, Leroy. You know me I gotta have your thing, Leroy. Just been kind of busy and thing. You know, me have my daughter to take care of.
You know, you can pay me a different way if you want.
Alright, but come and think me I have the money by then. So sure. Where you want to do it?
Why want to do it yourself?
I soon lock down the shop and everything. So we can do it here, alright? Don't worry about it. I wanna not gonna know. Alright, you understand now? You don't need to have name brand things all the time. Now wait, you know, daddy. Jackson, understand yourself now? You don't have to have name brand all the time. Warm to you. But you're rich. Jesus Christ. Jackson, I'm not rich, alright? I cannot buy it. Anthony, me ready if you're ready. Forward.